In today's video, I'm going to show you how I was able to lighten the roots of my synthetic hair topper. So for starters, I have the UniWigs Hope Synthetic Mono Topper. So my own roots, they grow out gray, and I had a little difficulty getting this to blend in with my own hair. I had purchased the John Frieda Root Touch-Up. I simply just took the product and parted it and put it on both sides of the part. And you want to make sure you pay really close attention to where the lightest shade matches the darkness of the root. You really want to get that in and blend as well as possible. Basically, you just keep doing this all over the wig, just making different parts. Now keep in mind, this is only going to be temporary, so once you wash your topper or your wig, this is all going to wash out and you'll need to repeat this process. Let's take a look all the way around so you can see the back, and you can just see how everything blends in with my own hair color, because this is such a great match for my natural hair color.